How to translate a video with artificial intelligence is what we're going to see today with a video from La Boiserie. I'll show you the original video and the final result in a few minutes. It's going to be very, very quick. So this is the original video.
1200 chevaux. Ici, le moteur R32. Donc tu vois, le moteur en W, c'est un moteur de Véron. Hein.
Ouais, ils sont inspirés de
donc
ça.
c'est le moteur en W, voilà, le fameux R32. Donc 6 cylindres, 3 litres.
So here we are with the original video. How do we translate this video? It's very simple. We just copy the link. We go to the app. Well, we go to VoiceCheap.ai. We click on try for free. Here we arrive on the site app.voicecheap.ai, so the application. We paste the video link, but you can also upload your file right there. You drag and drop your video or audio file, by the way, directly here up to 20 gigabytes maximum. If you're a big content creator, we can work it. We can break all boundaries and anything is possible. You contact the chat and anything is possible. Once that's done, you'll arrive directly on this page where you'll have the transcript in French on the left and on the right, the translated transcript in the selected language. In this case, English. While we're at it, I'll show you how to add a language. So let's add which language today? Let's do Polish. We rarely do it, so we add Polish. Here we are dealing with contextual translation that considers the context before, during, and after the sentence being translated to achieve the highest quality translation possible. It takes into account abbreviations, slang, acronyms, weird words, etc. It considers everything. So we get an almost perfect translation, if not perfect. We launch the translation like this, and we just have to wait, and there. We have a new project with ID, creation date, the details that will appear right after, and here we have the steps of the ongoing process. Now I'll show you the video directly in English, so let me know what you think in the comments of this video.
In front of the 1200 horsepower Golf, here, the R32 engine. So you see the W engine, it's a Veyron engine. Yes, they're quite good, so it's the W engine. W, the famous R32, so 6 cylinders, 3 liters too. When you look at the piston, it's clearer. They have the...
As you can hear, the voice is really cloned, so a voice cloning that allows for the same sounds, the same voice timbre. In English, Spanish and Portuguese, in Polish, in Russian, in Chinese, etc. So it's really high quality.
One, how neat they are. Here we've taken out all the mechanics. So here are all the reinforced rods, the custom pistons that Meadow made during the prep back then. Since we had to take the car apart anyway, it had a...
It really allows you to translate your entire YouTube channel and expand internationally, extremely quickly and easily. Literally, it can take hours and hours, even days, weeks, months of work to make a video. Sometimes even thousands or hundreds of thousands of euros for this kind of content creators. When you buy a tank to make a YouTube video, it adds a bit to the budget for a video. So how can you make it even more profitable without working much harder? Translating videos. It takes 3 clicks to translate the video. It costs a few euros. So when we make ultra high quality Giga videos, it's best to translate them to make them profitable and reach a global audience, which is extremely powerful. So now I'm going to show you the result in Polish. I'll show you 3 quite interesting features right after. So here's the result in Polish.
Przed Golfem 1200 koni, silnik R32, więc widzisz silnik w W, to silnik z Veyrona. Tak, są całkiem dobre, więc to jest silnik w W, słynny R32. 6 cylindrów, 3 litry 2. Patrzysz na tłok, widać lepiej. Mają aktualny. Jakie one są eleganckie.
Even in Polish, we keep the voice timbre, rhythm, sync, everything is top notch. I'll show you 3 features we haven't seen yet very quickly. So the first feature of lip synchronization modifies the image, altering your mouth pixel by pixel in the final video to match the lip movements with the new sound of the new language, particularly Polish. Lip movements no longer match when you speak Polish, while your mouth movements remain French. That's very interesting. So you click here, activate it. It takes a bit of time. It takes a few minutes though. So I'll show you maybe next time if you're interested. But the simplest, create an account directly on VoiceCheap.ai. It's free. You test the tool, you test the lip sync. Lip sync, you film yourself like this, talking on your phone for 30 seconds, a minute. You tell your life, you explain what you are doing. You do a little story time in a 1-minute summary. And then you translate it, activate lip sync, and you'll see the result directly on your face and you'll be extremely amazed. And all this is free. You can translate up to 3 videos completely for free. Second feature, so here you can add languages, you can replace words on the left that might be mistranscribed. It can happen, it's rare, but it can happen. You can keep or not the background music, that is all background music, sound effects, applause, laughter, fart, I don't know, but everything that is background, that is not speech, that is not words, then you can enable or not the subtitles. You can use voices 5 times cheaper that we call library voices. A bit more robotic, but 5 times cheaper, so you can translate 5 times more videos for the same budget with this type of voice. And finally, the custom voice, which allows for ultra high quality and professional voice cloning, ensuring you always have the same base to clone your voice for future videos. Do a great studio recording, and then for the next 500 videos you release on your channel in 30 different languages, just imagine the number of videos that could make. And you will always have the same tone of voice, the same path, the same stability, the same quality, which can be very practical in many situations. That's a bit how it works. Then the last really huge feature, you can download the video. Well, that's basic, but more interestingly, you can share the link to your video. And there you share the cloud link directly. Once you can share that with your community manager, your video editor, whoever you want, your collaborators, in a super fast, intuitive, efficient way, and incredible. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm waiting for your feedback. If you have any questions before subscribing, you can ask them here in the chat. Click, we're here all the time. And if you have questions after your subscription, same thing, we're here. You have our email, you have our chat, you can talk to us on Discord. We're really open, and we're really here to help you, to help content creators explode their content creation. On an international scale, on a global scale, to reach a monumental audience, we are breaking down all linguistic barriers to achieve monumental growth. If you are interested, the link is in the description, and you can test the tool completely free of charge without a credit card. If you like it, you have the pricing right here, and you have the different types of subscriptions starting at 24 euros. And if you're really keen and you're a large company, it can go up to, well, we can work something out. We can even offer prices for those who want to contact us in business rate mode. Everything is possible. We can even develop an API. We're working on it. So if you want to auto-translate with an API key, everything is possible for those who are developers or who do a bit of coding. You'll understand what I mean. I hope you liked the video. If so, like and subscribe. If you have queries, comments in the chat, and I'll see you very soon in another video. This was Rafter for VoiceCheap.ai. Bye.